As you try to move closer to the basket, talaga mapipigilan ka. Here's Taulava again. Hop.
And Taulava trying to pound everything inside. This is already the second guy na binibigay sa kanya, si Skirmans. Pero wala pa rin nagagawa, Kinito.
Well, sabi natin kanina that we were expecting the two key players to be the Sydney Olympians. Tama yun because they are starting for the Italian national team. Makita ng Italy how important the outside shot is in an international game.
Ito si
power move by Asi.
Taulava.
Taulava. Here's Asi Taulava. Strong move inside.
Tignan natin kung meron na tayong pasensya. A fall away by Eric Meng. Ito si Taulava! Ayun ang puwersa. Pero hindi makuha. Taulava will get this one. Ganda na pasa.
Oh, yeah.
Ayun ang maganda.
Sila itong Philippine team, lumalaban pala.
Last shot time again si Taulava. Back-to-back slams by Asi Taulava. Remdes at saka ni Olsen Racela. They give it to Taulava. Up fake. Taulava is away. And Taulava scores this one, Kinito.
Final buzzer.
Taulava again sa ilalim. Ayan, ang aararo na naman ng Taulava. Sa play. Ganda ng pasa na yan. And Asi Taulava will get his 15th point of the ball game.
Energy. Here's Kenneth Duremdes with an outside shot once more. Taulava, offensive rebound.
Ayun, remaining sa third quarter. Spin by Asi Taulava. He up fakes. Ayun, talagang grabe ito si Taulava. Best game so far of the 4-game series kontra sa mga kupunan ng Europa.
Asi Taulava na naman. At yes,
it's been all Asi Taulava underneath.
Noli sa ilalim. Turnaround shot. Does not work. Here's Taulava plucking it down. Philippines trying to move the ball around. Menk trying to provide the pick for Cariaso. Cariaso thought about driving. Here comes Menk. Whips it over Taulava. Shot clock at 11. Here comes Racela over to Taulava. The long distance shot. No connection. Rebound fought for. Here's Asi. Asi fakes right. Goes left.
Good one.
Yes.
Good one there.
The right wing. Cariaso.
Sayang.
Philippines active on the offensive glass. Taulava.
There we go.
Park John Jong fires from 10. No whistle. Here comes Asi Taulava. Asi loves to dribble. Asi will go to the right wing. Asi is in the middle, but he provides the shield for the already a PBA MVP. That shot will not work. Good boxing out by the Philippines. Sealing off Ree completely. Asi has plans. Points by the North Koreans. Penetration by Park. Rejected by Taulava. And he's now dealing with players much taller than himself. Penetration by Joe. Blocked by Taulava.
Chinese team is really serious, no? At nilalabasan tayo ng husto. They're extending out on us, and that's a great attempt there by Asi Taulava.
Asi Taulava, who has been in double digits for all the 4 games of the Philippines, averaging 17 points. Yao Ming wants a basket, but Taulava will give up the foul. And go. Cariaso popping out, driving hard. Asi has a shot in the middle, no problem. Pinned. Takahashi, however, has a bad dribble. Cariaso lead pass. Oh, yes. Buti wala pa sigaw yun. Picked up by Cariaso. Lead pass. Asi has plans. He has plans. Taulava. Asi draws the double coverage. 14 on the shot clock. Outside to Castillo. Back to Taulava. The short's not good. They jump it inside. Taulava might as well. 12 points. Japan by 4. Philippines leading by as much as 8 way back in the opening quarter. They want to go to Taulava. He's doing extremely well. Playing very strongly. With Orimo at the firing end. There's a jumper that finally works from the outside. That will not work, but Asi slams it home. 6-0 run. Out at the top, but Setsumasa made other ideas. He adjusted the play. Over to the attack of the Philippines. Olsen downstairs. That will not work. Follow up Taulava. Some bits of action from this, the third quarter. There's Taulava.